Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a React.js application that I developed in the browser, which lets you convert bunch of images to PDF document. So this is actually the user interface of the application. I've already deployed this website on my website freemediatools.com. You can check out this tool right here. It works right in the browser itself. It doesn't require any server-side code. So here you actually drag and drop whichever files you want to embed. So it will also show you the live preview of whichever image files that you selected. You can even click add more to add more images. You will see that. So it actually shows you how many images you selected. So 5 images you selected. And then we have a button right here, convert to PDF. So it's similar to Canva clone, image to PDF editor. So it's developed inside React.js and it's a static app which runs in the browser. So if you click the convert to PDF button, you will see the output PDF file will get downloaded. And if you try to open the PDF file right here, you will see on each page the image will be converted. So it has created 5 pages in the PDF. So this is the third page, fourth, fifth. So it's a simple application which converts a series of images to PDF documents. So many a times you need to convert your images to PDF. So for that purpose, you can actually use this tool. So it's coded inside React.js. So let me show you the source code. So the link is given in the description to purchase the full source code. So after you purchase it, you will actually get this zip file from Google Drive automatically. So you just need to extract the content of the zip file. And for building this, we are using this jsPDF open source PDF generation library. So if you just type jsPDF, it's the open source client side JavaScript PDF generation library. So we are using this library for building this application, and React, we can see we are using the latest version, which is 19 at the time of recording this video. So now to run this application locally, it's very easy. So if you are running it for the very first time, just first of all say npm i, so just to install all the Node.js modules. So it will create this folder, and after that you just need to say npm run dev. So this will start, sorry, npm run start. So this will start the development server, and it will start your application locally at port number 3000. So just wait for the application to start here. So you will see it has started this application at localhost 3000. So it is just loading the application. So it is that easy to run the application. After you purchase it, you will see that the application will run perfectly. Here you will select any PNG or JPG image, click on that, and you will see the application is perfectly working. So once you get the source code, guys, you will actually see how I coded this project. So this is actually the overall component right here. It's very easy to modify the code as well. So once you get the source code, you can add additional capabilities to this application as well. So, and it's very easy to deploy this application as well. So there is a build command as well. It will create this build folder, which will contain the static minified code right here. It's very easy for you to deploy this application to a real domain name as well. So you will just come to the terminal right here and just say npm run build. So this will build out your application. So it's a very good React.js project, guys. Simple Canva clone image to PDF editor, which allows you to convert a bunch of images with live preview to PDF document, and it's a complete editor where you select a bunch of images, convert. So it's a static website. You can easily put advertisements and earn a lot of revenue. You can rank on Google. So once you purchase it, you can rank this tool for this keyword. So its possibilities are endless. The link is given in the description. Thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image.